In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can combine your TradeWiz bots with Axiom Pro for trading meme coins. I'm gonna show you how you can snipe tokens as early as possible using TradeWiz AFK mode, which is quite new. I'm gonna show you the best processor to use and many other things. Before I dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and also join my Telegram channel, FrideDev. You can also find the link to TradeWiz bot and Axiom Pro in the video description. I have to mention this video is only for educational and entertainment purpose, and I'm not a financial advisor. Now, let's get into it. On TradeWiz bot, just click on settings. In here, we have different processors. If you watched my previous video, this one, I had a challenge between Bloombot, Nova, TradeWiz, and Trojan. And TradeWiz was the winner. It was the fastest trading bot in the market. But during the time that I recorded the video, I used Bloxroot processor. But recently, TradeWiz added zero slot trade as one of their new processors, and this is the fastest one in the market. It's much faster than Bloxroot, and I suggest you to use this one. So in comparison to my previous video, the TradeWiz bot even improved in terms of the speed, which is great. Also, they recently added AFK mode. You can actually use their sniper bot. Just click on auto trade pump.fun. We can actually automatically buy into new pump.fun tokens as soon as they launch based on our filters. This is really depends on your strategy, but personally, I don't think you can make money by blindly sniping tokens. You need a strategy, and I'm gonna show you this. Just click on select template. You have new coin and FOMO coin presets. When I click on this, you can see the settings will change. New coin is related to some tokens that launched recently. FOMO coin is related to some tokens that have higher market cap like $60,000 or $100,000. But our goal in sniping is new created tokens. So just click on this one. For per buy amount, just start with a very small amount like 0.1 SOL. And for total buy amount, you can, for example, set this at 1 SOL. This means the bot will only snipe 10 tokens for us, 10 tokens with 0.1 SOL. For buy and tip fees, the higher is better. I'm gonna keep this at the same number, or even let's decrease this. It's better to actually have higher tip but lower gas fee, because this is enough for the gas, but the higher tip is better. I don't need MEV protection. For a slippage, you can set this at 50% because some tokens that just created recently, they are highly volatile. Since we want to snipe new tokens, we don't need a minimum edge or minimum market cap. Even for 1 minute change, I can set this at 0. For transactions, the same. You can set this at 0. And last 3 blocks amount, 0. This is really depends on you. For sell condition, what you can do is to set, for example, 100 after 100% sell 50% of the tokens, and in this way you keep 50% for the moon bag. To be honest, if I create this and run the bot, I don't think I can make money, and probably I'm gonna lose money. But here's a strategy that can help you a lot. As you know, most of tokens created based on tweets. On my Telegram channel, I have a full Twitter list. Make sure to join that. Copy this Twitter list. Then go to Axiom Pro, click on trackers. And in the Twitter alerts, click on customize feed and import all those Twitter handles. In this way, you can have a Twitter feed in here. Now, here's the important thing. As soon as some people like Elon Musk, Donald Trump post a tweet, you can see the tweet in here, and tons of people immediately will create a token for that tweet, and definitely at least one of those will migrate and it could go to millions of dollars market cap. The strategy that you can use is to have all the presets in here ready in your TradeWiz bot, and as soon as you saw a tweet from Elon Musk, Donald Trump, or some other famous people, you immediately enable your bot. In this way, it will snipe all new tokens, and there is a very, very high possibility that you can snipe the Elon or Donald Trump's tweet as fast as possible. You can be among the first 10 people minimum by using this strategy. Definitely 99% of those tokens will go to zero, but even if one of them can migrate, if one of them can reach millions of dollars market cap, you can make a massive profit. Just look at here. Probably there was a tweet and you can see many people created tokens for that. But using this strategy, you will snipe all of those. Look at this. Look at this, many of them. And usually the good token that will migrate will create in first 10 to 20 seconds. So you should immediately disable the bots to not snipe more tokens. But definitely this is a risky strategy, and make sure to do your own research. If you want to combine your TradeWiz bot with Axiom, just click on extensions. Let me open this on my Chrome. In here, click on add to Chrome and add extension. Now, let me pin this. In here, first we have to get a code. Just click on that. It will open our Telegram and will give us a code. You have to only copy that and paste it in here. Click on verify. Now, let me actually go to my Axiom and refresh the page. As you can see, I can see TradeWiz logo in here, and as soon as I click on this, it will snipe the token for me. Let's actually play with the settings. For example, I want to test it with a very small soul. Go to settings. You can have many different presets. For example, preset 1. For buy amount, you can set it at a very small amount. It really depends on your trades. For buy fee, and for a buy tip, 10%. For a slippage, I want to sell 100% on my preset. The same fee for buy, I'm gonna write it in here, and 10%. You can add many more presets in here. Now, as soon as I click on this button, it will snipe it for me. Let's click on this. If I open my Telegram channel, you can see I bought the token. Now, let me actually click on this and sell it. Click on 100%, and I sold the token. I can't see my buy and sell on the chart, and the reason for that is I haven't imported my TradeWiz wallet to Axiom Pro. For example, on Telegram, you can see I bought and sold the tokens. But if you want to see them on the chart, you should go to portfolio and click on import. Basically, you have to import your TradeWiz wallet private key into your Axiom, and in this way you can see all the buys and sells. On TradeWiz, all you have to do is to click on wallets in here and export your private key. Also, as you all know, TradeWiz is the best copy trading bot in the market. I use it all the time for copy trading. And also, you can even get some free smart wallets in here, which is a very cool feature. Definitely check them out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Cheers!